Steps for recognizing unfamiliar words. Click word. Do you see how the word is shown in more easily readable segments? Do you see how the letters are helping you to decode which of their possible sounds they are actually making? Try to read the word now. If you need more help, click the word again.
R, E, K, A, G, N, I, Z, ing.
And to hear the word spoken.
Recognizing.
Now that you know how to recognize unfamiliar words, let me show you how easy it is to get help for understanding them. Click word. Click the Word Explore button in the pop-up. Select the kind of help you want. Definitions. Synonyms. Word roots. Translations in any one of a number of languages. Synonyms. Word roots. Translations in any one of a number of languages. Definitions. Note that all the words appearing in the reference panel are also supported by OLSN.
K, A, M, P, R, E, H, N, Sh, A, N. Comprehension.
Once your learning needs are satisfied, dismissing Word Explorer brings you instantly back to where you were. Now that you know how to use the online learning support net to recognize and understand unfamiliar words, scroll down this page and experience the tool yourself as you read more about the many ways it can be used to help readers. Thank you for your time.